Hello and welcome to another week in the Lego Shed Northern Quarters. It is Saturday the 9th of August and today, after a short break, we're on to bag 5 and possibly bag 6. And now, the Potter Pearson. Right, so I've had to shut the blind because the sun was coming in and basically it hit me directly in the eye. So, blindness. So anyway, we start with the minifig. He's only got one-sided printing, but he's a little knight. And I'm a bit late into the shed today because I'm going to do later films. Okay, accept me. There we go. Because, yeah, later films work for me, but the traffic goes crazy. So if you hear louder cars than usual, apologies. I will figure out a way to stop that. I'll probably invest in a better microphone where you can't hear them. But here's the little knight fella. Now, we dismember him. Poor fella. And then we put him in a pod. Put him in a pod. A yellow pod. There's more yellow pods than blue at the minute. Where are we? Stick. Are they the right ones? Yeah. Yeah, they are. I just had a weird sinking feeling that they weren't right then. Which way do we do it? Anyway, really. They drive like maniacs. So I put the pod over there. Stay shut. And we turn the page. And we're straight into with the Technic bit. So that's lovely. And we've not got much club business today, but these films are not about club business. These films are about coming together on a weekend and just chilling out for a bit. And the club business is on about mostly about the hand cream. So we start with Eric, who responds, the infamous Lego Haunted House theme. Yes, because we were, if I remember correctly, we were on about what my the theme music is. Yeah, it's very infamous. But I'm in the crowd of the people who really adore the ride. I think it's stupendous. As to moisturise, I don't know whether you have the Aveeno brand over there, but their lotions are the best, especially here in winter. We do have Aveeno. I've never used it myself, but I'll give it a try. I think my mum has used it before, but I've never have. Mr. Clark, yes, we have Aveeno. Daughter swears by it. Yeah, it is good, I've heard. Claire, a big fan of Aveeno here. I've been using it a while. As a further endorsement, it was recommended by a specialist nurse after my recent op. Well, if it's been recommended by a nurse, it must be good. I've lost where I am. Right. And that's it for club business today. I have no idea what this thing is going to be, but it scares me. Yeah. So yeah, I've had a weird couple of weeks, to say the least. Everything has seemed to happen all at once, and then everything, like family stuff, it all just piled up, and I was like, oh dear, I've got no time to build, do anything. And then I've been having a right ruckus with my sleep. Crikey, that was difficult. Turn the page. Just me moaning at the minute, but yeah, my sleep schedule has been all over the shop. Just moving the club business tablet out of the way because it's taking some desk space up. I'm going to move the camera further down as well. But yeah, I'm getting there. That way. And then this goes in. Oh. Do we have liftoff? We have liftoff. Right, where? What? Oh, the wind picked the door up then. Yeah, so if you ever heard that noise, a big clunk, that's the wind trying to pull at the door. I think that's it. Right, here we go. A yellow one of these. I haven't even had time to do production on anything. I did want to do a song, but I've not had time. Maybe next week, if I've got the time. really getting into the guts now. I don't know what this is. Right. This is... Put that over to the side. I've got another weird thing to build to go on top of it. Right. Where are we? I'm bringing all the pieces together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When I'm doing techniques, it's not that I do it wrong. I always, or like inner mechanics of stuff, it's not really techniques. But I always think I'm missing steps. I do it and I think, is that right? I'm always second guessing. So I always feel like a madman when I'm doing them. Crikey. That does not want to go on. Right, I'll just do this bit off camera. Blimey. There we go. Did not want to go on there. We flip this like this. That goes there like that, and that goes there. Hopefully. No, because I've not got that situated correctly. Like that. And this I believe goes on like this. Yeah, I was just matching it to the thing. That goes there like that. Oh, blooming heck, there's more to add. Yeah. I do like the complexity of this one. That goes over to the side because we're building something else here. Yellow thing. Where are we? A white thing. There's lots of things because I don't know what these pieces are called. Come on. There we go. Position like that. And the gear is on. My eyes have gone. Do some circling. That down for now. I'm definitely thinking we can do another bag, which is always good. Because we've been going a little while, but I've been gone a week, so just as a treat, I'll do another bag. Is this going to work? Is this going to line up? Do I trust in the Lego gods? Yes, I do. Right. This is the bit that I was worried about. I think this goes in here. Right, I'm just consulting the instructions. I get this. Right, this goes to the bottom. That goes with that one. Oh, we've had a scattering. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh no. Right. That just went in and then, nope, rejection. Right. So it's definitely on these last two here. Come on. Except, there we go. And then these are here. So we've got a gear in place. What's the next page? Obviously I'll check the time at the end if there is time for a second one. That goes like that. Because I don't really want to go over an hour. Right. I totally missed a step. I jumped over the step. I'm like, that don't make sense. Yeah. Now it does. There we go. Oh. I'm very scared of what this entails. Where are we? What even is that piece? Ah, that makes sense because it's not one piece. It's that piece. Yeah, I was all geared up to make a song. A daft little song to premiere here and then probably send it to Mother Goose for a wider release. But yeah, just didn't have time. Right. I always struggle with these bits, but that is because of my lack of depth perception. Oh, this one should be quite easy. Come on. Oh. Oh. There we go. I've actually done it. Proud. Legoland isn't too far away either. the AGM, which I am thoroughly looking forward to. I believe it goes here. Wheel spin. Somebody's doing wheel spin out there. There's pros and cons. Doodaloo. Oh, I totally just missed 2 pieces out. That's what I mean. Sometimes my eyes do glaze over. I'm looking at the time now. Put the weird engine block away. Probably not going to be able to. Mainly because of the time. I'm in here at now 5:30. So this will be uploaded possibly about 8 o'clock. Not too sure. Not too sure. But I did that off camera. Silly me. But I'm not too sure at the minute. Come on, focus. My phone likes to pull focus sometimes, so let's just lock the focus in. Where are we? 2 of these. These. Yeah, I think they should be added on beforehand, not afterwards, like the instructions say, but I could be misinterpreting them. Where are we? Corners. Ah, here we go. That should fit in there. A twiddly bit. Oh, it's turning it upside down now. Just that way. Oh, blimey. Right. Oh. Let me bring in the focus here. Makes a nice clicking noise. I don't know if you can hear it. Here we go. Oh. Stick this to one side. Put this in. Yeah, I did think because of the size of the bag that I would have time, but yeah, checking again. No time. But no worries, I'll be in tomorrow. Well, I hope I am in tomorrow. I don't have anything on. Where are we? That goes like that. Okay, my eyes have gone funny. That one goes there. That there. Oh, that was nearly a scattering, but it wasn't. Right. Bring these in. These. Right. Buying. Dupe. Right, this, that's there. Child screaming. Come on. Oh. Yeah, everything's lined up. There we have it. It only turns one way. That's neat. That one, that one. Now that was precarious. You're in. I knew that went on first and I still did it wrong. Oh. Ah. This is what we've built today, a little mechanism. And this should go in here. Come on. Oh dear. Oh. I think we've got it. Yeah. Ooh. La loo la loo la. It's not quite like la loo la la. But yeah. I'm surprised I was able to do that. But that was the cool mechanism. Yeah. We won't be able to do bag 6. Because I've been going half an hour. But there we have it. That was bag 5. Yes, that was bag 5. So I'll see you all tomorrow. And Affle wax forever. Bye bye.